Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to install a game on Origin without the need of downloading whole game over internet. I will use the game files which I copied from my friend's PC and will fit those files in the download process. You can do it with the latest game files and you may or may not have to download update at all. So let's begin. First of all, open Origin and start downloading the game you want to download. As you can see, the game is now downloading. And when the game is downloaded around 10 to 20 megabytes, pause the download and exit Origin from the system tray. After that, open the folder, C, Program Files, Origin Games, and this game folder. Now cut or copy the files you already have on your PC or hard disk and paste them into this folder. So I have the files here and I cut and paste them here. Overwrite. And it's done. After all the files are copied, start Origin and login. Now resume the download. And as you can see, Origin downloader is verifying the files present in download folder, and after verifying it, it will keep useful files only and discard the unusable files, which are outdated ones. So as soon as the file verification is complete, your game will resume downloading. It will take some time, so please be patient. So as you can see, it have completed the verification, and now I have to only download less than half the game, or it's more than, I'm not sure, but you got the picture, right? Using this trick you can save a lot of data over the internet, especially if you have slow internet or a data cap limitation over your ISP. So thank you guys for watching this. If you like the video, please like and share and provide your valuable feedback. Peace out.